Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. Today we are going to start a tutorial series on Adobe Photoshop CS6. So today we'll be seeing that how we can create a splash effect in Photoshop CS6 to enhance our images. So let us begin by opening the Photoshop. So we have downloaded the Photoshop CS6 version, 64-bit version, and we will be seeing how we can create a splash effect using this. So once the console is up, just to go to the file menu and open the image for which you have to create the splash effect. So I will be opening an image. Okay, so you can see once the image has been opened, I want to create a splash effect for this. And in order to do this, first of all, we have to unlock this image. So if you can see, there is a lock sign in here. So whenever you open a new image in Photoshop, this image indicates that as we are going to use layer mask, this lock will indicate that it is partially locked and we have to unlock it. So for unlocking it, we have to just double click on it and just click on OK. Once it has been unlocked, just right click on it and create a duplicate layer. So you can specify the duplicate layer name. So just let me say layer 1 and click on OK. So you can see a duplicate layer has been created for this image. The next step, once the duplicate layer has been created, is to go to the image section and adjustment. There is an option of hue saturation. So just click on it, and once this panel is up, you have to just decrease this saturation level. So completely decrease this saturation level to -100 and click OK, so that the image turns fully black and white. So once this is done, the next step is to create a layer mask. Just go to the layer section, and in layer mask, just select reveal all. So once you select this, you can see that the layer mask has been created in here, and now the actual work will begin. So for doing this, just go and select the brush. As I've already selected it, it is being selected, but if you not, then just click on this brush icon and just go and as per just select the size and hardness of the brush. So if you see, if you increase the size, the circle will here shown in here will increase. So if you see, if you're increasing the size, the circle will uh, change its size accordingly. Also the hardness of the brush, you can control it from here, whatever percent of hardness you need. So right now I'm keeping it as 35 or 30. So that's enough for me right now, and I will be decreasing the size. Okay, so once this is done, to begin with the splash effect, just click on this bottom arrow and just try to create it. So just hold the mouse button and just hover over the image. So if you can see, once I do it, I can reveal the colors in the image. And so whatever part you want to create the splash effect, you can create it from here. And so you can see now this green part. So by mistakenly I have done this green part, so I don't want this. So just again click on that same arrow and just hover over the image again by right clicking the mouse. So you can see it is turning down the effect, and you need to fine tune the image, and you do need to just highlight that part which you need the color splash effect for. So it will take some practice to do this, and you can see there is a slightly yellowish part that is being spread all over the image. And you can see if you want to change this, there is another option. You just with the help of keyboard, just click on X and it will revert back the effect. So the same thing which we did with the help of the arrow can be done with the help of X. on your keyboard. So now I will just fine tune this image to some extent. Also, you can, if there are small parts, so you can decrease the size, and again you can come and do the fine tuning of the image. So now you can easily go to that part where you cannot go when the size was for the brush was large. So now you can quickly fine tune this image, and in this way you can see that we can create splash effect for any of the image. So it will take some practice for individuals who are just beginning with Photoshop to achieve the desired result. And once you are finished with this, and if you want to save it, just go to file and save as section, and wherever you want to save, just select the type of format. So generally I'm selecting a JPEG image, and I'm giving a name as splash new, and I will be saving it. Just click on OK. So now if you can see, this is the earlier image before applying the splash effect. It is taking some time to open. So you can, in this you can see, this is the earlier one, and so after the splash effect has been applied, you can see the image looks like this. So in this way, you can enhance your image by applying the splash effect using Photoshop. And that's all for today. Hope you have liked it. And thank you. Goodbye for the day.